In modern electric vehicles, battery voltages of 300 to 400 volt are commonly used for traction. But EV manufacturers are shifting towards 800 volt architectures, all to help produce more power. These high voltages cannot run the other electrical loads on vehicles as they require lower voltages. That is when DC-DC converter comes into picture. The loads such as headlights, window motors, pumps require around 12 volt. The main DC-DC converter steps down the battery voltage to 12 volt. It also has to be adjustable as some loads may need outputs in the range of 12.5 to 15.5 volt. In some applications, like a hybrid electric vehicle (HEV), the DC-DC can be run in reverse to boost the power from a 12 volt to 48 volt to assist in starting vehicle or to provide backup power. This requires the DC-DC converter to have bidirectional capability. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Always. Also press bell icon to get notified.